Hello there, I hope you're all well. It's time for another giveaway. If this is your first time on my channel and you want to be kept up to date with Kodi and APKs and also some tech reviews, then make sure you subscribe and click that bell, and that way you won't miss anything. It's giveaway time. Yes, going to be 50,000 subscriber giveaway. That's what I'm going to call it, the 50,000 subscriber giveaway. And what am I giving away? Well, I'm giving away the A5X Max box. I'll put a link in the description for the review. It runs Android 7.1 and it's a quad-core 64-bit machine. It's got 4 gigs of DDR3 RAM and 32 gigs of onboard storage. It's got 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and it's 4K capable. So not a bad little box. And I'll be giving it away. I'll be giving it away live stream. And it's going to be Sunday, the 11th of March at 10 PM GMT, which is 5 PM Eastern Standard Time, if that's what you call it over the pond. So there's a date for your diary. Sunday, 11th of March, 10 PM GMT or 5 PM Eastern Standard Time. Now the rules are very simple. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel. Make sure that your subscribers are not private, so I know that you're my subscriber. You need to like this video and you need to leave a comment. Now you have to leave a comment because that is how I will be picking the winner from a random comment picker, and I will be doing that like I did before via live stream. I'm loving the live stream, loved it last time. I hope you enjoyed it as well. I will be continuing that. I'll be doing it again. Hopefully you can make it there. Just make sure the comment is clean, because if it's not clean, it just goes into my spam folder and you're not entered into the prize draw. I love all your comments. Keep them coming. Just make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now, if you're a subscriber and you want someone else to have a chance of winning this box, share this video. Let them know about this giveaway so that they can subscribe to the channel and they can leave a like and they can leave a comment. Win-win. Anyway, as you can tell, I'm super excited about giving this away. I'd also like to congratulate Paul Holtwanger for winning the very first prize giveaway. That was for the 45,000 subscriber giveaway. Congratulations, Paul. And I think we should make that a new rule as well, that you have to have a cool name to win this contest. What a cracking name, Paul Holtwanger. So, pressure's on for the winner of this next prize. So hopefully you can join me for the live stream and I see you in the comments section. Good luck and thanks for watching.